Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how I made this side table. I bought this display from a store going out of business. I'm going to start by wiping it down. I will be using the silver spray paint. I found the ultra cover paint to be the best. I will be using 1-inch foam to upholster the sides. I'm gonna keep a 1-inch gap for all 4 sides. Now I'll be using this spray adhesive to glue down the foam. Now I'm going to mark the areas where I'm going to put the diamond. I'm going to create slits on the marks. This is the fabric that I'll be using from Hobby Lobby. Now I'm going to staple down wherever I mark the foam. I'm going to staple the fabric from the sides. I'll be gluing down small pieces of fabric on the top edges. I'll be using these mirrors from the dollar store on the sides of the table. I'm going to take the foam off of the back before gluing it down. This is the glue I'll be using for the mirror. Before I turned the table to the opposite side, I put pillows down to protect the mirror. I'll be using this lace from dollar store for the sides. I use hot glue to apply the lace. I added the lace at the top as well, but only on the edges. I use smaller mirrors on the top. My sister's cat is checking out the table. I cut the nails off of the diamond before I glued them on. And this is the end result. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.